Hi guys, in this video I am going to review the top 5 best RC trucks under $100 for kids, just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best RC trucks under $100 for kids to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started. Product number 1. Deere 9309E 1/16 All-Terrain RC Truck. I've personally put tons of hours into the Deere 9309E, and it delivers big league fun for the money. The 4WD drivetrain and metal oil-filled shocks give it real off-road capability. Mud, grass, sand, rough ground, it doesn't quit. It hits a thrilling speed that feels faster than most sub-$100 trucks, and unlike many toys, it comes with 2 1500 milliamp batteries, so I got nearly 40 minutes of continuous play before recharge. Huge plus for kids who hate waiting. The waterproof ESC means it brushes off splashes without trouble. On the downside, it's a bit bulky and can be more than younger kids can control at high speed, and replacement parts aren't widely available if something breaks on heavy use. Still, for the price, it's one of the most thrilling and rugged RC trucks you'll find. Performance that feels way above its price tag. Product number 2. Blue Jay Remote Control Car 1-12 Monster Truck. The Blue Jay 1-12 Monster Truck surprised me with how smoothly it handles at its top speed, around 33 kilometers per hour. Its ABS plastic and aluminum alloy frame feels surprisingly sturdy for budget-level RC cars and handles bumpy terrain with fewer crashes and flips than expected. Playing with it felt fun both for my younger cousins and adults. The balance between speed and control is great. It comes with 2 rechargeable Li-ion batteries, giving up to about 70 minutes of playtime, which means long outdoor sessions without frequent charging, perfect for family park trips or backyard races. It's lighter and a bit smaller than heavy off-road beasts, so it's less overwhelming for beginners. On the flip side, the speed is lower than some competitors, and it's not as rugged in super rough terrain. However, for the price range, it's excellent value with balanced performance and battery life. Product number 3. Off-road waterproof electric truck 1-14 scale. This 1-14 scale waterproof off-road truck impressed me with its water resistance and all-surface capability. It handles snow, sand, dirt, and rocky patches exceptionally well for its price. The waterproof electronics let kids play even after a splash or light rain without panic. Its nimble control and solid grip make it great for beginners and intermediate users alike. It's rugged and doesn't feel cheap, which matters a lot for kids who crash often. The truck also feels faster and more stable than its price might suggest, though it isn't marketed with a specific top speed on the listing. The downside is that parts and upgrades are less common than mainstream brands, and heavier terrain takes longer to master for new drivers. Ultimately, it's a super fun, versatile truck that's worth it if you want a dependable, all-terrain toy that doesn't break the bank. Product number 4. HBX 1-18 Scale RC Truck. The HBX 1-18 Scale RC Truck was a joy to drive, with a 4WD system and waterproof electronics that let it tear across grass, gravel, wet ground, and uneven surfaces without dying on contact. It's a true beginner to intermediate level vehicle, and I found it very easy to control, perfect for kids learning RC skills. The dual rechargeable batteries are standard, but keep the fun going long enough for multiple sessions. It's on the smaller side compared to others here, so it's ideal if you want something easier to store and lighter to handle. Some enthusiasts may wish it had faster top speed or metal chassis parts, but for under $100, the durability and off-road handling is excellent. a fantastic pick if playability and rugged use are priorities. Product number 5. Scientoy 114 High-Speed RC Truck. The Scientoy 114 RC truck was my favorite pick for top speed and battery life in this group. With a powerful motor that can push it up to around 50 kilometers an hour and two 2,000 milliamp-hour batteries, I enjoyed about an hour of continuous play, extremely rare at this price point, and a huge advantage for older kids and teens who love speed. The 4WD system and wide terrain grip tires make it great on gravel and grass. It's slightly heavier, so younger kids might find it a bit harder to maneuver confidently at first, and it sits near the top of the budget range. But if your priority is speed plus runtime balance, this truck represents amazing value and nearly hobby-grade fun, perfect for family races and weekend outings.